Hello, hello, hello. Hello everyone. Welcome to our new classes, a new session. And today we'll discuss some new questions, or you can say some new concept about the science and technology. Sorry, about the environment and technology. And I hope you will like these videos. And if you like these videos, then please do like and share these videos to your colleagues or friends or anywhere. Please, it's my humble request to all of you that please share these videos. Please share these videos to your friends, family members, and everyone. And anyone who is live, please write in the comment box that what will be the correct option of those questions. What will be the correct option of those questions? So, well, I think we should start now. So, this time, some people are live. So, it will be my humble request to them that please tell me that which of the following is correct. Please tell me that which of the following is correct. Yeah, everyone, please tell me that which of the following is correct. This time, yeah, many people are live, so it will be my humble request to them that please tell me that I'm audible or not. If I'm not audible, then please tell me, yeah, that I'm audible or not. Everyone, please tell me that I'm audible or not. Yeah, it will be my humble request to all of you that please tell me that I'm audible or not. Yeah, then I think I'm audible. Okay, I think I'm audible. And if someone has any problem, then please tell me in the comment box that if you have any problem. So I think we should start now. Okay, our first question is okay, it is the that our today's topic is miscellaneous question. In this class we'll talk about miscellaneous question, or you can say the questions which are not from a perfect topic, but these are miscellaneous questions which have been asked in various examinations. So in various examinations generally we are talking about the UPSC examinations as well as various state examinations, and I hope you will like these videos. So I think we should start now. So our first question is, okay, that was not the question. Okay, which of the following is known as Dakshin Gangotri? Which of the following is known as Dakshin Gangotri? Anyone who is live, please tell me that which of the following is known as which of the following is known as Dakshin Gangotri? This time, many people are live, so it will be my humble request to them that please try to attend these questions. That what will be the name of Dakshin Gangotri? Okay, what will be the name of Dakshin Gangotri? Yeah, everyone. Or you can say, what do you mean by Dakshin Gangotri? What do you mean by Dakshin Gangotri? Yeah, it. Please tell me that what do you mean by Dakshin Gangotri? This time only two people are live, so it will be my request to them that please be live and tell that how are these classes. That please tell me that how are these classes, because these classes have huge importance, and in many areas of India there is a, I think Muharram. So I think many people are busy this time. So if it's possible, then please try to attend these questions. That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? Yeah, it will be my humble request to all of you that please try to choose that which of the following is correct. Yeah, this time many people are live, so it will be my humble request to all of you that please choose that which of the following will be the correct option. Sorry, which of the following will be the correct. So I think we should start because many people are busy there. So our first question is, okay, our first question is related to some topics, that is which of the following is known as Dakshin Gangotri? Option A is the place of origin of river Kaveri. B, the place where Periyar flows northwards. C, India's first Antarctic research station. And D, the rocket launching center in Kerala. D, the rocket launching center in Kerala. And that question was asked in Uttarakhand PCS mains. That question was asked in Uttarakhand PCS mains. So you can correlate that why these questions are important. That why these questions are important. So first thing is there that which of the following is known as Dakshin Gangotri. So because if you are aware about newspapers, so there are some research stations. There are some research stations which are very renowned. There are some research stations. There are some research stations which are very famous. There are some research stations, or you can say research area, some research institutions which are very famous in various fields, and in those fields, mainly like DRDO, ISRO, these are playing a very vital role for the growth and development of the country. But on the second hand, some other research stations are there which are not in news, but they perform a very good thing. They perform very good thing, or you can say they are performing their exact role. They are performing their exact role in the field of science and tech. So if you have some anything, if you have some knowledge about the yeah if you have some knowledge about the science and tech in the field of Arctic region, because Arctic region is totally you can say cryogenic area. Arctic region is a cryogenic area, and in those areas, the organisms are not found in a huge amount. So there is need of huge research in those area. So every country, every developed country, or you can say development country, who has good knowledge, who has good thinking about the science and tech, they generally establish their research station in those area. So the question will be India's first Arctic research station. So it was the name of India's first Arctic research center. Dakshin Gangotri was the name of India's first Arctic research center. So option C is correct. So anyone who has given the option C, they should clap for them. Anyone who has given option C, they should clap for them, because it will be the right answer. Because it will be the right option. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. And well, our next question is the name of India's third research center. The name of India's third research center is, and our options are A, Bhagirathi, B, Sogantam, C, Hindustan, and D, Matri. And that question was asked in 53rd to 50th BPSC 2011. 53rd to 53rd to 50th BPSC 2011. So now you can understand that why it's important. Okay, so why it's important. So it will be my humble request to all of you that please try to attend these questions, that what will be the correct option of these questions. Well, first thing is there, as I told you, because in Arctic region, various developing countries and developed countries have their research station where they research on the various things, mainly on the animals, on the plants of those area. So generally, India's first research center was Dakshin Gangotri, and the question was asking what is the name of third research center, India's third research center at Arctic region? What is the name of India's third research center at Arctic region? And our options are A. Bhagirathi, B. Swagatam, C. Hindustan, and D. Matri. And D. Matri. So please try to attend that what will name of India's third research station in Antarctica. Yeah, please everyone. Yeah, please tell me what will be the correct option. So because that question was asked in BPSC, so now you can understand that it has huge importance. So because Dakshin Gangotri, when you talk about Dakshin Gangotri, so it was the India's first research station in Antarctica. The second was Bhagirathi. The second was Bharati. Sorry, the second was Bharati. The second was Bharati, and third was Maitreyi. Third was Maitreyi, and it was established in 2012. Yeah, I think it was established in 2012. If I am not correct, then please check the data that what is the correct option. Please check that if I am not wrong, then so that will be 2012. Because so now it's okay that what will be the correct option of that question, because the name of India's third research center in Antarctica, so that is the Maitreyi, because the first research center was Dakshin Gangotri, the second one was Bharti, and the third one was Maitreyi. And the third one was Maitreyi. So please try to attend again next question. And the next question is, okay, which one of the following is the correct definition of Agenda 21? Which of the following is the correct definition of Agenda 21? A, it's an action plan of UNA for protecting human rights. B, it's a book of 20th chapter on nuclear disarrangement. C, it's an action plan for conservation of global environment in 20th century, in 21st century. And D, it's an agenda for the election of president in next meeting of SARC. It's an agenda for the election of president in the next meeting of SARC. And that question was asked in, yeah, that question was asked in UPPSS in 2013. That question was asked in UPPSS in 2013. Then you can correlate that why these questions are important, because Agenda 21, Agenda 21 has a very, so anyone who's live, because I think everyone is on holiday. Everyone is on holiday. Okay, so please try to attend that what will be the correct option. Yeah, what will be the correct option, everyone? Because when we talk about the Agenda 21, so Agenda 21 is a legally binding. When we talk about the Agenda 21, so it's a legally binding. It's a legal binding. It's a legal binding. Okay, Agenda 21 is a legal binding, or you can say it's a legal binding. Sorry, it's a non-legal binding, not legal binding. It's a non-legal bonding. It's a non-legal bonding, and it is generally for the conservation of global environment in 21st century. It is generally famous. Why it's famous? So it is famous that it's an action plan. It's an action plan for the conservation of global environment in 21st century. In 21st century. So now you can correlate that why it's important. So suppose you don't know the correct option, but we will try to eliminate some option. Option A is there. It is an action plan for UNO for protecting human rights. No, because Agenda 21 is generally related with the environmental facts, because UN is not directly attached with them. So option 1 is incorrect. B, it's an book of 21st chapter on nuclear disarrangement. So because it is also not correct. It is also not correct. Okay. Open your mobiles, everyone. Open your mobiles. It's necessary, everyone. this time many people are live. Then it's a book of 21 chapter on nuclear disarrangement. Try to recall, is it possible that for a chapter there will be a question? No, it's impossible. So it's also not correct. Third is there, well, because third is correct. Come on, fourth, it's an agenda for the election of president for the next meeting of SARC. Do you think that there is a need to ask question on the base on the election for the SARC? No, it's impossible, because no one is caring about the SARC, or generally on the basis of election of the SARC. So if you have a common sense, then I'm sure that you can eliminate the incorrect option. And if you can eliminate only one or two options, so you will be near to the correct option. So that's incorrect. So the correct option will be option C. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, yeah, again, the agenda 21 is related to which field? Again, that question is important, and it was asked in the UPPSC RO ARO in 2014. That question was asked in UPPSC RO ARO in 2014. So now you can correlate that why this question is important. So anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions. That what will be the correct option of these questions? Sorry, what will be the correct option of these answers? Everyone, I'm still waiting. I know that today's holiday, and maximum of you are on a holiday leave, because all of you are watching Tajia, or you can say Muharram Julus. Yeah, it's good. You have to watch. But if you're not watching, then come on, then come and try to attend these classes, because these classes will make your future. Arya Gupta, option A. Welcome, Arya. Option A. Agenda 21 is related to which field? A. Sustainable development. B. Nuclear disarrangement. C. Peasant protection. And D. Agriculture subsidies. Well done, Arya. Doing well. This time you are right, because it is agenda 21. Suppose we have no idea about these. We have no idea about these options or these questions, but you can eliminate some option, because suppose agriculture subsidies, is there is any mean for the subsidies, for agriculture subsidies, and that for that we will make an agenda? It's impossible. So we can eliminate. Next is the patent protection. Yeah, it's also not possible that for patent protection we can make an agenda, because agenda is only talking about the social things. So it's impossible. Third is nuclear disarrangement. Nuclear disarmament. It's also not possible. So the correct option will be sustainable development, because when we talk about the sustainable development, so in that field, in the field of sustainable development, we study everything. Okay, means how we can conserve the nature, or you can say how we can conserve the uh, of our surroundings nature. And in sustainable development, first thing is there that we talk about today's need, and we also think about the future's needs. So that is the sustainable development. Well done, Arya. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer for the codes given below. And that question was asked in UPPSC Lower 2015. That question was asked in UPPSC Lower 2015. Arya, only this time you are live. Then please, I am taking tea, and now you have to solve that. What will be the correct option? Yeah, Arya, I know that you can do. Then please try to. Okay, I will be beside. And I'm sure, Arya, that you can do it. You can solve. You are capable. I know. Yeah, please tell me that what will be. If you can correlate only single option, then you can correlate well. Try to eliminate uh, the best possible option. Yeah, try to eliminate the wrong option, and then you will find the correct option. Yeah, everyone. Arya is saying option C. Well, Arya, it will take some time. I will wait for someone. If it's right or wrong, I don't know. Yeah. Well, I think I should start. Well, because suppose we have no idea about these things, but we know that ozone hole, we know that ozone hole, uh, because ozone is a layer which protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays. So if there will be no ozone hole, so the ultraviolet rays, the harmful ultraviolet rays will be there, and they can cause various disease and mainly skin disease. So D2, 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 okay, D2. Okay, wait for some time. I think all options are wrong, because global warming is CO2. Okay, the global warming is CO2. Okay, skin cancer. Okay, okay, okay. Well, I think I should. Okay, okay, okay. Well, sorry, skin cancer. Cancer is correlated with the ultraviolet rays. Thus, noise pollution is decibel. Noise pollution is decibel. Then global warming and ozone hole. Global warming will be due to carbon dioxide, and ozone hole will can be due to the chlorofluorocarbon. Then D1, D1, D1. Okay, so we can eliminate these options. D1. Okay, and D1 A2, D1 A2, D1 A2. Okay, so option B is correct. Arya, what is the answer? The question is not visible. Okay, Achal, क्वेश्चन नहीं दिखा है तो उसको सही करो. हम्म, देख लो पहले सेल फोन में चेक करो उसे. कट रहा है इधर से. वेट फॉर सम टाइम, कुछ देर वेट कर फिर बताओ मुझे. वेट आलिया, शी इज डूइंग एंड आई थिंक इट्स पॉसिबल. ओके ओके, वेल एंड गुड. नॉट विजिबल. आर्या, is it visible to you or not? Please tell me. Arya, I think it's visible this time. Yeah, okay, fine now. So we are talking about the answers. So I think we should do it again, because skin cancer, because skin cancer, skin cancer is generally done by ultraviolet rays, because when there is huge ultraviolet rays, so it's possible that a is directly related with the two. A2, A2 means, okay, A2 means we have only these two options, B or C, B or C, because if you are totally clear that the option means A is clear, is directly relating with the two, so that's clear. Again, the noise pollution, because we generally measure noise pollution in decibel. We mainly the measure the noise in the decibel. Then B is 3, B is 3. So because these are very very close, because both are 3. Well, then global warming and ozone hole. Global warming and ozone hole. So global warming is generally done due to the carbon dioxide. So C4, C4, C4. Okay. So I think option B is correct. What was your answer? Arya, again think about your answers, that what will be the correct option. I think the correct option will be, Arya, is it any problem? Because you are saying option C, but me seems that option B is correct. Me seems that option B is correct. Why? Because chlorofluorocarbon is also responsible for the ozone hole. Chlorofluorocarbon is a gas, or you can say substance, which is found in the refrigerators, ACs, and various things. And these are also very harmful, and it can also cause the, yeah, it also causes the, yeah, I think it's visible or not. Okay, I think it's visible. Well, it also causes some disease, and it also causes the global warming. So if it's possible, uh, Arya, is it clear or not? If it's not clear, then please tell me. Okay, clear. Well, now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, in Uttar Pradesh, the first biotech park was established. in A. Agra, B. Allahabad, C. Lucknow, and D. Varanasi? And that question was asked many times in UPPCS. That question was asked many times in UPPCS. Then now you have to say what will be the correct option. Now you have to say what will be the correct option. That's question number 6. And it is the question number 6. Now you have to say that what will be the correct option, because I have no idea about that question. Yeah, really, I have no idea about this that question. So please tell me what will be the correct option. Arya, it's your turn. It's your turn. Then try to, yeah, try to answer that question, because the park is near to you. It's an hint that park is near to you. The first biotech park of Uttar Pradesh is near to you. Well, all of you have no idea about that park. So because that park found uh, is found in the state of in the heart of the state. Then now it's clear that what will the correct option, because the correct option will be Lucknow. The correct option will be Lucknow, because the first biotech park of Uttar Pradesh, the first biotech park of Uttar Pradesh was established in at Lucknow, and I think in year 2002. In year 2002, it was established, and it was I think it's really very fantastic park. Okay, I think it's Lucknow. Yeah, yeah. Now you are right that it's in Lucknow, and please, if it's possible, then please go and visit them. Okay, because you are also I think you are a science student, then you should visit that thing. Okay, that park. And if you are a biology student, then that's your that you should go and watch that park. And if you are a maths student, then I'm totally sure then you should go, okay, and watch that park whenever you have time. Well, now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. These are the institutions and these are the places. And I have no idea about that question. Again, I'm saying that I have no idea about that question. Now you have to say what will be the correct option. Now you have to say what will be the correct option. If Arya, if you will provide me the correct option, then I will clap for you. That's my promise. Yeah, this is simple. If you can tackle a single things, then you can correlate that what will be the correct option. Again, try to correlate that what will be the correct option. I'm still waiting for your response. I'm still waiting for a response. I'm still waiting for a response that what will be the correct option. That what will be the correct option. Okay, it's 29 minutes. Okay, well, suppose if you don't have any idea, so come, because in the previous class I have talked about the National Institute of Nutrition. The National Institute of Nutrition was established at Hyderabad. The National Institute of Nutrition is established at Hyderabad, and it is a premier institute. It is a premier institute in the field of nutrition. It is a premier institute in the field of nutrition because various research programs as well as various research activities are carried out always in those institutions, and that is the National Institute of Nutrition, and it's a body of ICMR. It's a body of ICMR, means Indian Council of Medical Research. It's a body of Indian Council of Medical Research, and again there is also an institute that is the CFTRI, that is CFTRI, Central Food Technology Research Center Institute, Central Food Technology Research Institute, and that was established at Mysore. That was established in Mysore. So these are the two very premier institute. 7D. Well, Arya, it will take some time for me to understand what will the correct option. Okay, so again try to correlate, because the Central Technology Research Institute, it is in the Mysore, Karnataka, and the National Institute of Nutrition at the Hyderabad. Then, because we don't have any idea. So because A4, 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 A4. Okay. Well done, Arya. You are right. Then A4 is correct. Because Ayurveda in Jaipur. Well done, Arya. Good. Because Ayurveda in Jaipur. Ayurveda in Jaipur. Well done. Because Ayurveda in Jaipur and National Institute of Naturopathy is in Pune. It's in Pune. And Wildlife Institute. Okay. No. That's okay. Wildlife Research Institute in Dehradun. So now you are clear. Well done, Arya. Doing well. Then, as I will told you, it will be clap for you. Doing well. Well done. That's why I'm saying that if you can correlate a single thing, if you can correlate a single thing, then you can eliminate the incorrect option, and then you will be very near to the correct option. Well done, Arya. Doing well. Now, the next question is, which among the following are India's first permanent and operational research centers in Antarctica? Again, same question. Again, same type of question. Well, uh, which of the following are the India's permanent and operational research stations in Antarctica? A. Bharati and Arya, B. Bharati and Dakshin Gangotri, C. Bharati and Maitri, and D. Dakshin Gangotri and Maitri. And that question was wow, in the recent years. That question was asked in UPPSS 2011, 2021. So please try to correlate what will be the correct option. Yeah, I'm still waiting for response that what will be the correct option. Everyone, please try to correlate that what will be the correct option. Don't think about the color that I have made. It could be wrong or it could be right. But in the first question, I have talked. In the first question, I have taught that what will be the correct option. So I am still waiting for response that what will be the correct option. Yeah, I am still waiting for response that what will be the correct option. Well, which among the following are India's permanent and operational research stations in Antarctica? Suppose you are new for that session. So in the previous question, when we are talking about in the previous questions, as I'm saying that these questions are repeated day by day. These questions are repeated day by day. So you have to, okay, in that question, okay, that's question number 8. Okay, and that question was, okay, where was that question? Okay, that question. Yeah, in the second question, I have talked that the name of India's third research institute. So I have talked every research institute, that is the Dakshin Gangotri, then Bharati, then Maitri. So if you, because the repetition of these questions are increasing day by day, it may be C. Well, I don't know is it C or not, but wait for some time. As I'm saying, because the repetition is increasing day by day, on the 17th of October, when there will be a paper of PCS, then I will tell you that how many questions have been repeated that time, and you will find that in the section of science tech, environment, and general science, you will find about 85 to 90% question will be repeated, and it will be from our class. That's why I'm saying that try to recall the previous year questions. Okay, well, so the correct option will be, where is the question? Okay, where is the question? That's question number. Okay, again. So the question is Bharti and Maitri. The question is Bharti and Maitri because the first was, because the Dakshin Gangotri was not operational. Dakshin Gangotri was not operational. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. And your option was maybe C. Well done, doing well, well done. Because Bharti and Maitri are the most important functional research center in the Antarctic region. Now we'll move to the next question. The symbol eco mark related to which of the following? The symbol eco mark is related to which of the following? And our options are A, goods of best quality, B, safe goods for environment, C, exported goods, and D, imported goods. And that question was again asked in the UPPSS 2021. So please tell me that what will be the correct option. Please tell me that what will be the correct option, because I'm still waiting for response. Because today many people are not there live there, so that's why I'm saying that please try to correlate these things. Arya, okay, Arya, I'm still waiting for a response because only you are providing me the correct option this time. That's why I'm waiting for your response. That what will be the correct option? So anyone who is live, that please try to attend these questions. That what will be the correct option? Everyone. Arya, maybe C. I think that's question number 7. And this time we are doing question number 9. Yeah, we are doing question number 9. Then you have to say what will be the correct option. Yeah, this time you have to say that what will be the correct option for that question. Yeah, because this time the weather is very good and you will feel sleepy, but don't sleep because your dreams are very ninth B maybe. Okay, ninth B. Not maybe, you are correct. You are correct because eco mark. When we break the eco mark, that is the eco-friendly mark. That is the environmental friendly. That is environmental friendly mark. So all the substances that could be everything, all the substances which are good for environment, so they are given the eco mark. They are given the eco mark just like they are given the eco mark, just like I think there's some problem. Okay, so they are giving the eco mark just like the egg mark, just like the egg mark. Because when we talk about the egg mark, egg mark is known as agriculture mark. Agriculture mark. Egg mark is known as agriculture mark, and it was given for edible foods. It was given to the edible things. Edible things. And it tells about the purity of that substance, that that substance is pure or not. As the same, the eco mark is given to those substances which are environmentally or eco-friendly good, means they doesn't harm the environment. So for those substances the eco mark is given. And that eco mark was launched in India in 1991. It was launched in India in 1991. So now you can correlate that why it's important. Okay, so if any substance, any cosmetics, any substance, if it has eco mark, then it's clear that it will not harm or damage the environment. Okay, so I think it's clear. Yeah, Arya, you are right, 9B is correct. Again, now we'll move to the next question, and that is the tsunami is related to. Tsunami is related to A, shrinking of earth's crust, B, cyclones, C, submarine earthquakes, submarine earthquakes, and D, tides. Because it's a question of geography as well as environment too. Yeah, it's a question of physical geography as well as environment too. So you have to correlate. And that question was asked in Jharkhand PCS. That question was asked in Jharkhand PCS. So you have to say that's question number 10. That what will be the correct option? That you have to tell that what will be the correct option, everyone. Then you have to tell that what will be the correct option. Yeah, anyone who is live, then please try to attend these questions. That what will be its correct option. Yeah, I'm still waiting for response. That's question number 10. That's question number 10. Okay, well, Arya, well, I think you are not live. Well, when we talk about the tsunami, so tsunami is the result of submarine earthquake. Okay, submarine earthquake, because these when these earthquakes are mainly occurred in the sea area, in the ocean 10th sea, Well done, Arya, doing well. Well done. And C is the correct option because these are the submarine earthquakes. These are the submarine earthquakes because when there will be earthquake in the marine area, so the waves will be very huge. The waves will be very huge, and that will destroy the nearby areas, or you can say seashore areas, and that's very dangerous. And mainly it occurs mainly in the coastal areas, and the countries like Japan, Indonesia, that will be maximum time that these country will be affected by tsunami. So it's clear for all of you. 10C. M is saying 10C. Well done, M. I don't know your correct name, but you are right. Well done. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is match the following list 1 and 2 and select the correct answer given the quotes given below. These are the cities and these are the research institutes. Because I don't know the answer. I don't know the answer. Then you have to say what will be the correct option. Go and match them and tell me that what will be the correct option. Yeah, go and tell me that what will be the correct option. And that question was asked in UPPSC 2016. That question was asked in UPPSC 2016, and I think it's that question is not visible. So option 4. I'm writing option 4 on that side. Option D is there. 4 2 3 1. Option D is 4 2 3 1. I think now it's visible. 4 2 3 4 3 2 1. Yeah, 4 2 3 1. 4 2 3 1. It is 4 2 3 1. I think now it's visible. Then please try to attend that question. That what will be the correct option. That what will be the correct option. Yeah, I think there is some misprint in that question, and now I can understand. Okay, in that question, the correct thing will be Indian Agriculture Research Institute. That part. Okay, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, because due to printing mistake, I think that part is there. That Indian Agriculture Research Institute, which is known as the IARI, IARI. Okay, IARI, and that is the Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute. Okay, both are correct. Okay, well. So please tell me what will be, M is saying C. Well, Mr. M or Miss M, I don't know the correct option. Well, you are doing good thing, but I have to check. Arya, your answer. Arya, please provide me your answer. Then I can correlate that what will be the correct option. Well, I think we should start that what will be the correct option. Well, M. So, because the Forest Research Institute, because the Forest Research Institute is situated at, that's clear that it is situated at Dehradun. That is situated at Dehradun. So, 1 is correlated with 3. 1 is correlated with 3. Okay, 1 is correlated with 3. Well, again, the Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, that is at Jhansi. B4, 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 B4. Okay, B4 and A3. So, option B is correct. I don't know why it's not running. Option B is correct. And what is your answer? Option C. Well, wait a minute. It could be possible that I will be wrong, because the Indian Agriculture Research Institute, it is situated at New Delhi. It is situated at New Delhi. Then D2. So this option is correct. This option is correct. And Central Arid Zone, and that is situated at Jodhpur. That is situated at Jodhpur. So don't be hesitant, because this is the correct option. Because again, I'm saying that because it's messy. Well, the take a screenshot, then I will tell you what is the correct option. Take a screenshot. Okay, I think you have taken the screenshot. Well, now again, I don't know that where the question has been gone. Question number 10. I think that question was deleted due to mistake. I think that question was deleted due to mistake. But wait for some time. I will tell you what will be the correct option, because I don't know what happens to them. Well, when we talk about the Indian Forest Research Institute or Forest Research Institute, Research Institute, it is at Dehradun. It is at Dehradun. Next is the next was the Central Arid Zone. Central Arid Zone Research Institute, and that is established at Jodhpur, Rajasthan. And after that, the in Jhansi there was the Fodder, yeah, Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, Grassland, or you can say Grass and Fodder Research Institute, and Fodder Research Institute, and that is established. That is it is in the Jhansi. It is in the Jhansi. And next one was, the next one was ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and that is situated in New Delhi. In New Delhi. So I think it's clear for all of you that what will be the correct option. That what will be the correct option. Okay. So go and check a screenshot, because this time my writing is not good. But please try to take a screenshot that the Forest Research Institute it is established in Dehradun. And when the question was that the Forest Management Research Institute, so that is in the Bhopal. That is in the Bhopal. Forest Management Research Institute in the Bhopal, and Forest Research Institute in Dehradun. Then the Central Arid Zone, because arid zones are those zones where there is less because where there is less rain are there, so those are the arid zone. So you can correlate. So these zones are mainly found in the Rajasthan. So in these answers we have Jhansi, which is in the which is in the Rajasthan. Next is the Grassland and Fodder Research Institute. So because in the Jhansi area, in the Jhansi area, you can say it is the Bundelkhand area where there is less, where there is less rain. So there will be fodder problem in Jhansi. Then you can correlate that the Central Fodder Research Institute is in the Jhansi, and because agriculture's premier institute will be in New Delhi. So that is the ICR's headquarter in New Delhi, and I think it's established in yeah 1929. Okay. And yesterday was its established day. Yesterday was its established day. So that was it was in my mind. Okay. So I think we should move to the next question. And our next question is, where was the next question? Okay. Yeah. The next question was, which one of the following pair is not matched correctly? Wow. Which one of the following pair is not matched correctly? A, apical movement. B, headgay. B, Chipko movement, Sundarlal Bogada. C, Seva Narvada movement, Meda Patikar. And D, Silent Valley movement, Baba Amte. Everyone. And that question was asked in UPPSC lower. So it's important. So please tell me what will be the correct option. Everyone, please tell me that what will be the correct option of that question. I am still waiting for response. Yeah. I am still waiting for response that what will be the correct option. Yeah, please tell me that what will be the correct option. Arya, Mr. M, everyone, many people are live. Then please try to correlate yourself that what could be the correct option. Yeah, what could be the correct option? Then try to correlate yourself with these answers that what will be the correct option. Yeah, please tell me that what will be the correct option. Sorry, yeah, what will be the correct option? Yeah, this time many people say try to correlate. The question is visible. Okay, well, Try to correlate what will be the correct option. That's question number 11. M is saying 11B. Okay, well, wait a minute. The question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? So that is totally matched. The Chipko movement, because Chipko movement was started from the Uttarakhand, and Sundarlal Baugana, Sundarlal Baugana, then Gaura Devi, Sundarlal Baugana, Gaura Devi. These are the premier people for that movement. So that's true. That's true. And you have to find the which of the following is not correctly matched. So that will not be the correct answer. आर्या, चिपको गलत है. चिपको चिपको is correct. Chipko is correct. Chipko movement is correct. Okay. Vijendra Jalal is saying option B. Again, try to correlate, because all these are correct. Because Apico movement is belongs to P. Hegde. That's correct. Chipko movement is Sundarlal Bogona. That's correct. Narda Seva Andolan. It is also correct for the Medha Patikar. It's also very important. But the Silent Valley movement, that's not correlated with the Baba Amte, because Bamda, I think Baba Amte was gone, was that at that time of Silent Valley movement. So option D is not correct. Option D is not correct, because in option D many people are there. So option D is not correct. Okay, option D is not correct, because in Chipko movement 3 to 4 people are there. Well, I think I should make some thing about the Chipko movement. Okay, wait a minute. Well, when we talk about the Chipko movement, when we talk about Chipko movement, so Chipko movement was carried out at Uttarakhand, was carried out Uttarakhand in Chamoli district, and that was at that time it was a part of UP. That time it was a part of UP, and in that what happens in that movement? So the people, or you can say mainly the tribal communities, in which there is a community Vishnoi. There was a community Vishnoi. Mainly the people of that community, they gathered the plant. They gathered the plant, or you can say they uh, make a circle to the plant. That doesn't allow to cut trees to government official as well as the private officials. So that movement was the biggest movement on in the world to save the tree. Okay, and the movement was to save tree, to save tree, and that was to save tree. Okay, and some peoples like Gaura Devi ji was a lady. Gaura Devi ji was a lady who was the face of, who was the face of that movement. Means she was famous because she was famous for she was the only face of that movement. And some two peoples, that is the Sundarlal Bahuguna, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Sundarlal Bahuguna, and Chandi Prasad Bhatt, and Chandi Prasad Bhatt. So these three peoples are very famous. Means Gaura Devi, then Sundarlal Bahuguna, and Chandi Prasad Bhatt. Mainly the question was asked that the in between the Chandi Prasad Bhatt and Sundarlal Bahuguna, then in that condition you have to say Sir Chandi Prasad Bhatt have huge role in that movement. Chandi Prasad Bhatt has moved. Then option D is correct. Okay, I don't know the correct option, so that will be the correct option. Okay, so please take a screenshot. Then we'll move to the next thing. So our next question is, what is the question? Well, okay. Now the question is, where is the question? Yeah, the question is, Medha Patikar is related to which of the following movement? Again, Medha Patikar is related to which of the following movement? A. Chipko movement, B. Narmada Bachao Andolan, C. Naxalite movement, and D. Harm to agriculture land. And D. Harm to agriculture land. So anyone, please try to tell me what will be the correct option. Please try to tell me that what will be the correct option, everyone. That what will be the correct option. Yeah, Mr. M, I don't know you are a girl or boy. M, try to, yeah, you are doing very well. Arya, you are also doing well. Try to eliminate some options. Try to eliminate some options, then you can go, or you can say you can reach to nearby option. Yeah, then you can reach to M 12B. Well done, well done, very good. 12B is correct. Yeah, 12B is correct. That the Narmada Bachao Andolan. Medha Patekar was very famous. She's a politician, and she have been very famous by that Narmada Bachao Andolan. Okay, Sabana Siddiqui 12C. No, Sabana, that's not the Naxalite movement, because her name will be used in many movies as a Naxalite. But she is famous for the Narmada Bachao Andolan. Means option B is correct. Okay, and there is a lady at this time, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Her name is what is the name of that lady? Who's the Chief Minister of Bengal this time? White sari. Please tell me the name of that lady. Please tell me the name of. Please tell me the name of West Bengal's PM. Sorry, CM. Yeah, Mamta Banerjee. Yeah, Mamta Banerjee. Mamta Banerjee is famous for Mamta Banerjee has been famous. Yeah, thank you, Mamta Banerjee. Mamta Banerjee have been also famous for the Tata Nano, for Tata Nano car movement. Tata Nano car movement in West Bengal. Okay, she was famous. Yeah, Mamta Banerjee was. Arya Gupta, thank you. Sometimes it happens that the things are in your mind, but it doesn't come at once. So Mamta Banerjee was famous for the Tata Nano movement, because the Tata was establishing their nano plant, or you can say nano car plant in the West Bengal, and that lady, I mean Mamta Banerjee, has opposed them, and she became very famous that time. So that's why she is the chief minister. Well, so the correct option is B. Now we'll move to the next question. What is the full form of NGT? It will be our last question. Please tell me, what will be the full form of NGT? Everyone, what will be the full form of NGT? What will be the full form of NGT? It's very important. What will be the full form of NGT? Yeah, please tell me that what will be the full form of NGT? Well, I think all of you are taking more time. So the full form of NGT is National Green Tribune. National Green Tribune. Okay, National Green Tribune. It is the full form of, okay, 13A. Well done, doing well. 13A, and that NGT was established. That NGT was established in 2010. It was established in 2010 to save the article, to save the Article 21, because Article 21 of our Indian Constitution tells us about the right to life. That is the right to life, right to live. Okay, so you should remember that thing, that the NGT was established at 2010 at New Delhi, and it was established under the article to save Article 21, and that is the right to life. Okay, so I think it's clear for all of you. That is question number 13A. Well done, Savannah. So friends, it was our last question. We'll meet again, and after an hour for the science session. And I hope you have liked these videos. And if you have liked these videos, then please like that video. Well done. Have a nice day.